John Wright with the Speed of Right Group of Keller Williams Premier Properties. And if you have a client that is looking for the perfect in-law arrangement in DuPage County, this is the property for you. I've been in business for 14 years. I've never seen a property quite like this one. This is a 399 Janice in West Chicago. This is a house that is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, finished basement with access to the garage. And there is attached, that was built at the time that the house was built, a 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment with a complete full kitchen. Hardwood floors have just been completely redone in the main house. Vinyl plank floors upstairs. The upstairs master bedroom suite, I kid you not, is every bit of about 700 square feet. The units itself, as far as for the apartment unit, 2 bedrooms, clean carpet, hardly, used as far as for that. Very light usage on that. There's sliding glass doors off of the main house and then also off of the attached apartment that lead back to the back deck and the above ground swimming pool and a fenced backyard. It is about 1 mile directly south of Wheaton Academy High School. So it's perfect for somebody that is looking to maybe be in the west suburbs, or maybe they have children that go to high school and they want to send them to Wheaton Academy. This is the perfect house, perfect location for that. Asking price is only going to be $449,900. We've already had inquiries on this property. Do not wait long. The weather may be bad now, but come summertime when you're sitting by the pool, you're just going to be worth it that you came out this weekend. And I'm going to be doing an open house this weekend, Super Bowl Sunday, from 1 p.m. until 3 p.m. Super Bowl Sunday at 399 Janice. Don't let the weather stop you, because the other people that are interested in this property, they're not going to let the weather stop them. This is John Wright with the Speed of Right Group at Keller Williams. Call me at 773-733-1888, and we'll get you in to see this beautiful home before it's gone.